Present simple indefinite tense. Structure. Subject plus first form of verb plus object. Example, I go, he goes. Present continuous. Structure. Subject plus is or am according to subject plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Example, I am going, she is going. Present perfect. Structure. Subject plus has or have according to subject plus third form of verb plus object. Example, they have gone, she has gone. Present perfect continuous. Structure. Subject plus has or have according to subject plus being plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Example, they have been going. Past simple indefinite tense. Structure. Subject plus second form of verb plus object. Examples, I went, he went. Past continuous. Subject plus was or were according to subject plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Example, I was going, you were going. Past perfect. Structure. Subject plus had plus third form of verb plus object. Examples, they had gone, she had gone. Past perfect continuous. Structure. Subject plus had plus been plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Example, they had been going. Future simple indefinite tense. Structure. Subject plus will plus first form of verb plus object. Example, I will go, he will go. Future continuous tense. Formation or structure. Here is subject plus will be plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Example, I will be going. Future perfect. Structure. Subject plus will have plus third form of verb plus object. Example, they will have gone. Future perfect continuous tense. Subject plus will have been plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Example, they will have been going. They will have been going. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys learned something new.